Care and maintenance for your pen. All right, if you get little fingerprints on it and stuff, just use a microfiber cloth and wipe it down. Don't use any harsh chemicals, don't use any Windex, nothing like that. Just wipe it off. Get your fingerprints off. And it will help make your pen last longer. If you have access to Renaissance wax, you can use this and put a little light, thin coat. I use an old piece of compression shirt that's in there. You can use a microfiber cloth as well. Just put a very, very little bit on there. I've had this for 2 years, and that's all I've used. Barely any. And I use it on every pen I make. Just take care of your pen, and it will take care of you when you need to write. For changing out the ink, if you have a rollerball style pen, they're all the same. They all have springs in them. Don't lose your spring. Take your time. Just unscrew the tip. Take it out. The spring's down on the bottom. Don't lose it. This one may not come out because I know the Dennis and the Herald, they were kind of pressed into the bottom to the end cap. So it's really good. You may not lose it. Just don't do that and shake your pen around so you don't lose it. This is a Schmidt ceramic safety roller. I will provide a link down below where you can buy these on Amazon. You can pick whatever brand ink you want. We love these because they're German made. Just make sure you get the same style. If you don't get this rollerball style, it will not fit in your pen. You get your new ink cartridge, your rollerball cartridge, slide it in, put your tip on, screw it in. You can see how it's spring. You just gotta kind of push down a little bit, screw it on, put your cap on, and you're done. Ready to go for the next few months or however long your ink cartridge lasts, depending on how much you use it. Put that on there right so they line up. There we go. And that's how you take care of your pen and change, don't kick the camera, that's how you take care of your pen and change out the ink cartridge.